please don't let this scam happen to your family. And if it does, I'm going to tell you what to do.
Geek Squad is a subsidiary of Best Buy, which offers its Geek Squad services both in-store and online. Now, the scam isn't new, but it is seeing a resurgence right now in our area. Here's how the scam generally works. When you click the link to cancel, the criminals then explain they must access your computer to cancel the charge, and they ask for remote access. Once they're inside the computer, they ask for personal information like credit card or bank account information. The next thing you know, you've been swindled, with some people reporting losses in the tens of thousands of dollars.
Now, when those emails come in, and listen, talk with your parents. Like when I say parents, talk with those who are of retirement age. A lot of times they're not as tech savvy. They didn't have computers in school like a lot of us did. They didn't have smartphones 20 years ago. They didn't grow up with them. They're not quite as tech savvy as, not everyone, but they're not quite as tech savvy as some of us younger generation. Do I fit in the younger generation? But have them look at the end of the email and make sure that the @ the URL after that, the @ if it's, coming from Geek Squad, and it will say it's coming from Geek Squad. It won't say, 123 something else. It won't say Bangladesh. It won't say some other name other than Geek Squad. So that's one thing to really look for. Now look at this text as well.
Message asking you to click a link. Best Buy is well aware of these scams and has a whole page on its website outlining it and other scams targeting that company and telling you how to protect yourself from them.
Text scams are getting more and more common. Let me tell you what happened to our family member. He's, I won't tell you who it is. I don't want to make anyone frustrated. Fortunately, my wife was there when it happened. He got contacted by a Geek Squad scammer. Now, if you look, I'm going to show you a little bit of a list here. If you look at this list, there's a number of big corporations that have been hacked, from AT&T to Bank of America to our government. They have all let yours and my personal information be vulnerable online. Like they've accidentally been breached. They've had people get in and steal your social security numbers, your names, your information, your kids' information, your family's information. And if I sat here and told you what inside information has been divulged to me by a friend who works inside the government, you'd be like, oh my gosh. Like the Chinese all have our information. They do. Like they really have bought and sold yours and my information to be used how they want to use it. My daughter's information was stolen. A lady was in our gun shop yesterday. Her information had been stolen. Our family members' information has been stolen, used online to open up accounts, to do everything from buy cars to get jobs to work illegally here in the United States. There's all these things that have happened to people. So be smart. One thing you absolutely must do is you must get some type of really good quality identity theft coverage. And I recommend one that not only covers you, but your entire family, that also covers mortgage fraud, because mortgage fraud is one of the #1 thefts right now going on in the United States. You got your house paid for, you're in retirement age, and you click on the wrong link on your phone, you get $100,000 stolen from your retirement account. Oh, and by the way, they also have your information to go take out a loan on your mortgage and steal your house. This kind of stuff's happening on a daily basis. It's about time for Americans to start picking up some arms and taking care of criminals. But, that borders something I can't talk about here on YouTube. That's what I think we ought to do, though. I think we need to start taking care of criminals and holding them very, very accountable, making an example of them so the rest of the world sees they don't try that crap with everybody. Hey, take care of yourself. Be safe. If you have any questions, you can go to our website and submit questions, securityallstar.com. We've been taking care of people now for 23 years. Hey, please like and subscribe.